Accused of murdering two teenage girls is asking for a public defender. Richard Allen was arrested 2 weeks ago in connection with what's known as the Delphi murders. Libby German and Abby Williams killed nearly 6 years ago. Many feared that case would go unsolved. Lindsay Eaton with our Indianapolis affiliate WXIN explains what's next in this case.
In a handwritten jailhouse letter, this is the first time we're hearing from Richard Allen, the suspect in the Delphi double murder case. 2 weeks after being arrested, now asking for a public defender.
This is also a very unusual case in terms of its magnitude.
J.P. Ramon Lagunas is an attorney in Indianapolis. He explains the next step in the Delphi double murder case is for the court to assign an experienced public defender.
Typically, they would look in Carroll County and find someone who is qualified, one of their public defenders. My understanding is that Carroll County contracts out their public defense work, and so they would need to find someone qualified enough to take a case on like this.
Allen is facing 2 counts of murder in connection with the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German in February of 2017. Ramon Laguna says it's not typical for a public defender to turn down a case, but it's a possibility.
If a public defender didn't feel qualified enough, or if the attorney didn't feel qualified enough to take on a case of this magnitude, certainly I don't think that the court would want to appoint someone who isn't comfortable taking it.
Besides who, another big question is where. Will this trial actually be held in Carroll County?
Certainly I think the defense may file a motion to change the venue or move it out of Carroll County, and probably will. I just don't know how effective that would be because this case is high profile in every county.
By law, the trial must take place in the state of Indiana. Allen was being held in the White County Jail and has since been transferred to a state facility due to safety reasons. In the letter, Allen also notes his wife abandoned their home for her personal safety.
Having the best criminal defense attorney on this, or an excellent criminal defense attorney representing him, it actually is in the interest of the state, because what you don't want is, first of all, someone who not to have their rights protected, and that can end up in having to redo this again.
In his own words, Allen ends the letter writing, quote, "I throw myself at the mercy of the court. Please provide me with whatever assistance you may. Thank you for your time in this most urgent matter."
That was Lindsay Eaton reporting. Twitter, thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.